Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's make some buttermilk chicken wings, fried on the stove. Buttermilk chicken wings. Thumbs up, you know you like chicken wings. Please subscribe, I'm waiting to welcome you, and share the video. Don't forget to comment and let me know what you're thinking. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I have in this container here some regular milk. Low-fat milk is what I have in that container. And the seasonings that I'm using on the wings, on the buttermilk batter, is onion, garlic, cayenne pepper. Now if you don't like pepper, use regular pepper because cayenne is hot. Okay, so now this is my buttermilk. It comes in a powdered form, so you buy it, it's sitting on the shelf. And you can keep it on the shelf. You don't have to put it in the refrigerator. So let's add 1, 2, 3 heaping tablespoons of powdered buttermilk. Okay, I'm going to mix that up and let you see what that looks like. Okay, this is the seeds. Oh, and I also added sassoon. Let me show you that. That's the orange color you see, sassoon. Okay, so now that the sassoon, the granulated onion, the garlic, the cayenne pepper is added to the wings, I'm going to now add to the buttermilk. I'm going to now add the wings to the buttermilk. This is going to give it the nice buttermilk batter. If you never had buttermilk chicken, oh, you got to try that. Okay, now I have some regular flour, all-purpose flour. I'm going to pour some in this plastic bag. How much flour you add doesn't matter. Just enough that you think you can work with. If you need more, you can add more. So I try to add mine all at once because you're going to season the flour with the same seasonings, which is the granulated onion. Oh, that's a good catch, isn't it? I caught it. Garlic, cayenne pepper, or regular pepper if you want to use that, and a package of sassoon. Okay. I'm just going to mix that up. I'll turn my fire back on. I have olive oil in the frying pan. There, I previously heated up, so I'm turning it back on to let it get hot again. Now I'm going to put the chicken wings in the flour. So it has that coating of buttermilk on it. And I don't know why I'm trying to be cute and use a fork. Let me just get with it. Okay, now I don't need this anymore. Okay. Now you got the coating of flour on the wing. We're ready to put it in. Okay, they're all in. And I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, let's turn them over. Uh-oh, cooking too fast. See how dark that got? That's the buttermilk on it. Cooking fast. And that was only cooking like 4 minutes, 5 minutes. But it's not burnt, it's just darkened from the milk. Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day? the word of the day? The word of the day is this. If you only have a few dollars left, don't spend your last few dollars. Wait until you have some more. That way you can meet any obstacle that come your way if you have something to work with. But if you have nothing to work with, then you have to put your head down and go ask someone else, can you borrow some money? You don't want to do that. They're going to be talking about it. They're going to have issues with it. They may give it to you, but they're not happy about it. So if you have a few dollars, save that until you can see your way to when you get some more. Then you can spend a little. Okay, that's the word of the day. Okay, let's go back to our wings. So you've seen in the beginning that my fire was up on medium, but it made it cook too fast for the buttermilk. And so I turned it down some, and you see this side came out just nice. So that's something that you might want to take note of. Okay? Okay, they're done. And if you notice, I didn't use a lot of oil. The oil is not even covering the half of the wing. It's just at the base bottom part of the wing. Because we don't really need to use a lot of oil to fry anything. Okay, now I want to show you, I'm going to let that cool for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to place the wings on the plate so that you can see how you maybe would like to present your wings. Presentation is everything, okay? So I'll be back in about 5 minutes when that cools down. Thanks. Okay, so I've arranged it on the plate. I want you to see that. Let me turn the camera so you can see it. So you can see how I put it on a nice plate and arranged it so it looks presentable and appetizing for you, right? How about that? Okay? Okay, so let me taste. And by the way, you know, so that you don't waste your money buying the buttermilk powder, utilize it for a lot of things. You know, like if you want to thicken up a soup, you can use some buttermilk in that. If you want to put it on any other type of meat, you can do that. If you're making a cake and you want to make a buttermilk cake, you can use it for that. So you can see how you can make a lot of use out of the buttermilk, so when you buy it, you're not wasting it. And the reason why I started buying the powdered buttermilk instead of the fresh is because I wasn't using it enough. And this allows me to use it when I want to, not in a rush to use it before it expires on the fresh one. Okay, so I just wanted to point that out to you. Okay. Let me take a bite. The buttermilk gives it a nice soft texture, but yet still fried. You'll like it. It makes a lighter taste. Okay, so I like it. I hope you like it. And I'll talk to you soon, okay? Thanks for hanging around. Thanks for watching the video. You guys rock, okay? So until next time, bye-bye.